this question is really asking us to work out the perimeter of this shape. Now you'll remember that the perimeter is just the distance around the outside of the shape. So if we add up all the lengths, we've got 8 plus 6 plus 1.5 plus 1.5. Before we go any further, we've got to remember that we need to work out this length and this length too. So if we've got 6 meters all along there, 1.5 here, then this must be 4.5. So let's add that to my list, 4.5. And then similarly, if this is 8 meters all the way up here, and that's 1.5, that will make that one 6.5. So using my calculator, I work those out, and that means my perimeter is 28 meters. So getting on to answering this question, is the roll long enough for the room? Well, the roll is 25 meters long and the perimeter of the room is 28 meters. So the roll is not long enough. So I'd write no, as roll is 3 meters short.